Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to Tuesdays with True with me, your man True Pettigrew. Thank you guys for tuning in, and thank you again for all of the questions, comments, and feedback. And I'm just going to jump right into it today with a question I've been getting a lot lately is, True, how do I balance, or True, I'm struggling with work-life balance. How do I really achieve work-life balance? It's been a big question that's been coming up a lot lately. And my response to that is, let's go beyond the balance, right? And what I mean by that, it's really about integration across all the areas, across all the dimensions of your life. See, this is the thing. When we look to achieve a balance with anything, it's about an equal distribution of weight, time, energy, focus, and investment into across those things to make it evenly distributed when we're talking about a balance. And that's virtually impossible with all of the different dimensions across your life. Our lives are designed to have a seamless integration of how all of the dimensions work together, coexist, and feed each other, like a consistent circuit that's feeding each other. When we look at trying to achieve work-life balance, if you think about that, we're talking about work and life, right? Work and life. So you're looking at balancing your work, one thing, with the rest of your life, which is so many different components to that. We all have the same seven primary life dimensions, which is our family, our faith, our community, our career, our mental, our physical, and material. Like, those are all of the seven primary life dimensions that are competing for time and attention for all of us. So when we talk about a work-life balance, you're taking one of those dimensions, the work, the career piece, and trying to balance that with all of the other components of your life. But in essence, it's really about, how do all of those things feed each other? How does what you do as a career choice help to make you a better father, or a better husband, or a better leader, or a better friend? Or how does the things that you do as a father, or a husband, or a friend, or an employee make you better in other areas of your life? The things you do with community, how are you feeding your mind? It's helping make you better in all the other areas. How are you feeding your spirit that's making you better in all the other areas of your life? All of those things should be a seamlessly integrated circuit that feeds each other, and it's all about integration instead of balance. So that's the message today. All right, let's go beyond balance and achieve a seamless integration across all the different dimensions of your life. Hopefully this message touched somebody today. Hopefully it blessed somebody today. If you want to find out more information about how to achieve a seamless integration across all of the dimensions of your life, just check some of the information out that I have at tpspeaks.com. That's T as in True, P as in Pettigrew, speaks.com. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.